today's video I'll be doing a DIY on how you could crochet lock your hair. So you can make your own crochet locks from hair you have at home, and it's just quite simple. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. So first step, you're gonna take the hair and you're gonna part it into two equal parts. You're gonna cut it, and today I'll be using two hair. The first hair you'll see me showing in this video is the Yaman hair and the soft jumbo hair. So that hair that I have in my hand currently, it's the Yaman hair. So you're gonna separate the hair, and we're then going to cut it. Ensure also you have something that you could put the hair on so it's steady, it's not moving all over the place when you're getting it done. And the other hair I'll be adding is a little of the soft textured braid, and it's because I really don't have a lot of hair, so I have a little of some and a little of the other. So you're gonna place the hair over the hanger and you're gonna twist it. So you're gonna just take your hand and place it over the other. Keep twisting. So one hand, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you're going to use one hand that you'll take over the hair, over the other hair. Ensure that you wrap the hair from the top a couple of times so that it remains secure. So you could give it like two wraps over one turn, over two turns, and then you keep going down until you're finished with the hair. Alright, and keep your hand steady. Don't have it all over the place because you may end up with a regular flat twist here. You want it to be locked, so one hand is steady and keep twisting, and twisting the other hand over. So you're going to carry the hair back, over, under, over, under. That's a simple motion. And you could also use your other hand to smooth the hair out. So just keep going over and under. And if you should realize the hair is getting thin towards the end, so what we'll do is to take a little bit of the hair from the other side, make it as even as possible, and then you go over and under again. And you're just going to continue doing that until you reach the end of the hair. And also try to smooth the hair as you go along. So over, under, smooth, over, under, smooth. Yeah. Alright, so we're nearing down to the end of the hair. And for dreadlocks hairstyle, for me, I prefer it to be a little bit on the untidy side or the nappy side. Some people may say nappy, some may say untidy, but it's just right for me. So you're gonna go over, under again. So you're just gonna continue that motion. Over, under. And it took me almost 5 hours to have the hair completely done. So I actually did 40 strands of the braid, of the locks rather. I did 40 of them individually, and it took me about 5 hours to have those done, and the following day I had them installed. So you just continue over, under. And I hope you guys are keeping safe during this time Just keep safe and remember to wash your hands, sanitize as much as possible, but the best thing to do is to wash your hands with soap and water. So even your phone, try to sanitize it with a little, you could use wipes and just sanitize. You'll be surprised to know how much germs you'll find on your phone. So see here now, I've reached the end of the hair, and I'm just going to take the little bit of hair that's at the end and take it up the shaft of the hair just to secure it. Okay, and then I'll be curling the ends with the curling setter. Those, they call them jerry curl setters. I used to use them when I had jerry curls, or dry curls rather. And I'm going to seal the hair with the candle. Be careful to burn, not to burn yourself. Just go up and down the shaft of the hair with the heat or the flame, and that's it. So I'll be curling the end of the hair with the rod, and I'll show you pics at the end, a pic of the finished product. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.